may hahabol ako sa iyo na napapaisip tuloy ako sa mga ginagawa mo eh. Yung final word na yan, parang hindi tayo parang 2 for the road eh, di ba? 1 for the road, 2 for the road, alam mo, mga gano'n, no?
Pinakalas, gano'n.
Pero may mga nakalagay sa social media, attorney, ba't gano'n? Sabi niya, trademark mo, i-register ko yan. Ang mga abogado lang ba talaga dapat ang may karapatan tumulong para sa iyo pag mag-trademark?
Okay, let me put it this way. Currently, anyone can do it.
Yeah.
You know. But siguro, again, part of your due diligence and your vigilance, check mo kung can they ably do it for you. Kasi, you know what, even lawyers, not all lawyers can do it. This is a very specialized practice in law. Not all lawyers can do it. Ang dami kong clients or mga law firms na kaibigan ko, they refer IP matters to me. So, kumbaga sa doktor, pupunta ka ba sa isang doktor sa tiyan kung ang problema mo ay doktor sa mata? That's why boutique law firm, yung nag-specialize kami. So how much more kung hindi ka na nga lawyer, baka hindi ka niya ma-advise properly. Kanina, yung tanong natin, Boots, na color ba or hindi, may disclaimer ba o hindi. At paano na kung na-reject yung trademark application mo, pupunta ka na sa Director of Trademarks on Appeal, pupunta ka na sa DG on Appeal, and all the way to the Supreme Court. Who will look into your rights? Will it be, kung sino-sino lang? So, my advice is, it's your asset, You have to protect it. And the difference, siguro nagtitipid, na mas mura dito few thousands, It's your asset, invest in it. And it's not much, actually. It's not much. So yun,
fully agree.
Yeah. So wag yung pagtitipid, do it the right way. Yung pagtitipid na tapamaan mo na yung core ng business mo.
Correct.
Anyway, Attorney Negre, it's been fun. It's so informative. It's so mind-boggling in this usapang business.
Indeed.
And I'm sure a lot of people will get in touch with you, will go to your booth right now, and they will even sit down and ask questions offline. Again, Attorney Negre, thank you very much on behalf
Thank you, Attorney.
of business. And really, this is just the second episode. By the way, our third episode is actually pera-pera, negosyo mo. Oops, nako. Ayan, paano mo gagawin ang iyong financial kumbaga, paano mo pagiging matatag ang iyong business sa pera-pera mo? Hatid ito ng isang very well-known celebrity, tawag ko sa kanya si Salve Duplito. So again, always look for Usapang Business. We're here for a swift, brief, concise, and informative, and you can always play this. Okay? So again, Attorney Negre, thank you very much. Join us in the lounge.
Thank you, Attorney.
I'm sure na ng maunang uupo sa mesa. And again, maraming salamat. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, and even the fathers who are the mothers too. Okay?
Oh, yes.
Pwede ba akong bumati?
Opo.
Kasi anniversary namin ngayon ng asawa ko.
Uy!
Ex-girlfriend ko, anniversary namin ngayon.
How many years ago?
31 years and counting.
Congratulations.
Looking forward to the 50th year.
Congratulations.
Wow, ang sweet.
Love is always forever, and thank you very much for letting your wife for letting you join us for this few minutes.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Happy anniversary and happy Mother's Day to all. Maraming salamat.
Keep safe, everyone.
Safe, guys.
Everyone, keep safe.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.